Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the storage drawer's rear support on your stove. The reason why you'd have to do this is because the support is broken, damaged, or missing. For this repair, we'll be using a pair of pliers. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using in this demonstration. It's a GE. Now keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So right here, we've got our storage drawer, and that just pulls straight out. And once you get it pulled out all the way, you're going to have to lift up at an angle and pull that out the rest of the way. So this right here is our rear support. In order to get it off, there's a tab right here. You're going to want to pinch in on this clip, and if you can pinch it in by hand and get it out, that's great. If not, you can use a pair of pliers and pinch it in with the pliers, and that should pop it right out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement rear support, and if you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put that tab on the bottom in the bottom hole, and we're going to push the entire piece forward and push it till it snaps in. Now we can put our drawer back in. So we're going to angle that all the way till it gets past those notches right there. And you can set it down in place and push it back in. I am such a fan of whiteboards. They are so remarkable. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.